We have a plethora of RC parts today. Center diff, pinion gear differential for the shaft on this side. We have our center drive shaft, aluminum. I have yet to take this thing apart, so it's gonna be a learning experience. If you guys know how this thing comes apart, leave a comment of what I'm doing wrong or if I'm doing it right. Let's dive in. Let's start by taking this receiver box cover. Then we're gonna take the center so we can get at the drive shaft. And I think we should have started with this. Oh, one more. Now we can see that plastic center drive shaft. Have a plastic spur gear. We're gonna have to change that out. We're gonna remove this Allen and we're gonna take these two for the shocks. Let's go ahead and remove these for our arms. Okay, we took our bearing off of here, slid it out of the front. Okay, so this is how it goes. Drive shaft into the front diff, into there. This is our center diff. And then this is what we throw on to catch our rear diff. Oh, there it goes. But we forgot a bearing. Throw your bearing on there. Now, plop the top bulkhead piece in. First, you got to look around and find your Allen. Then go ahead and throw that in. Throw that guy on there. I just noticed we forgot a bearing. Just in case anyone was wondering, you can definitely get to the bulkhead without taking absolutely everything apart. Now, find your bearing. Notice that doing everything the first time is always the hardest. So, this is hopefully just gonna get easier and easier. And I know you can't really see it. Snapped into place. Everything looks good. Let's button this thing up for the second time now. Before we bash, we are going to hook this thing up to the Spectrum DX5. And always remember, 1 to turn, steering, or it's going to be channel 1. And it looks like Traxxas put little nubs right there, so we're going to have to shave that off. The super sharp knife, don't cut yourself. Just kind of start taking it down. Don't dig too far in. Just cut away from your hand. Little force. We got it in. Down. Turn the car on. The receiver on. Gonna bind. Go. This guy back in there. And there it is. Okay. We got our first breakage on the Traxxas Mini Maxx. Let's start by getting this wheel off. Pop that wheel hex off there. Don't lose your pin. Then looks like we have this top Allen. We'll start with that. We're gonna want to take this guy off. The steering block. There you can see the breakage. This is what it's supposed to be. This is what we got. You can see, even on this guy, we broke this part too. And when I broke that piece off, I lost the Allen for it. So I just took one of these, zipped it off, able to make it work. You can tell if you look down and you see it hitting your drive axle and it's not spinning, then you know you need to cut some of that Allen off. Let's go take the Traxxas Mini Maxx.
Round